Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the process of embedding external links and media in ClickUp docs. Our first step is to open the ClickUp doc where you want to embed your content. Once your doc is open, locate the toolbar at the top of your screen. This is where you can find all the tools you need to enhance your document. The reason we start here is because this toolbar is essentially the command center of your doc. Next up, let's embed an external link. To do this, select the chain icon from the toolbar, paste the URL you want to link to, then press enter. It's as simple as that. Now, why do we do this? Embedding links directly into your ClickUp doc allows you to reference external sources without leaving the platform, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Now let's move on to embedding media. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you click on the media icon in the toolbar. ClickUp opens a small window where you can paste the URL of the media file you want to embed. This could be a YouTube video, a SoundCloud audio file, or even a GIF from Giphy. Once you paste the URL and press enter, the media will automatically be embedded in your doc. This helps us create more engaging and interactive docs without having to switch back and forth between tabs or programs. Now that we've done that, you can see how easy it is to bring external content into your ClickUp docs. Let me explain why this matters. Embedding external links and media directly into your docs can greatly enhance the depth and quality of your content, making your docs a one-stop shop for all relevant information. And there you have it. You're now a pro at embedding external links and media in ClickUp docs. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Until next time, keep enhancing your docs and streamlining your workflow.